There is a supermassive black hole right in the middle of the Milky Way galaxy that is 4 million times the mass of the Sun. A supermassive black hole is the largest type of black hole, on the order of hundreds of thousands to billions of solar masses. Most and possibly all galaxies are inferred to contain a supermassive black hole at their centres. Our star, the Sun, makes up 99% of all the mass in our solar system. The Sun's core is so dense and hot that normally repellent nuclei fuse together in nuclear reactions that produce vast amounts of energy. On Titan, the atmosphere is so thick and the gravity so low that humans could fly through it by flapping wings attached to their arms. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn. It is the only natural satellite known to have a dense atmosphere. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there's no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts' mark on the moon. That means their footprints, rover prints, spaceship prints and discarded materials will stay preserved on the moon for a very long time. The middle layers of spacesuits are blown up like a balloon. A spacesuit is essentially an inflated balloon that is restricted by some rubberized fabric. This provides air pressure to keep the fluids in your body in a liquid state. Without it, your body fluids would boil. The largest asteroid ever recorded is a mammoth piece of space rock named Ceres. Composed of rock and ice, the asteroid is almost 600 miles in diameter. It's by far the largest in the asteroid belt that's located roughly between the orbits of the planets Mars and Jupiter. The only dwarf planet in the inner solar system, Ceres accounts for a whole third of the asteroid belt's mass. The surface area is approximately equal to the land area of India. All of space is completely silent. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there is no atmosphere in space, space will always be eerily silent. Sci-fi films and TV shows accompany explosions in space with sound only because it's more satisfying for the viewer. 33 light years away, there is a planet that is completely covered in burning ice. Gliese 436b orbits red dwarf star Gliese 436 so close that it has a temperature of 439 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, so how could the presence of ice be possible? Well, the water molecules are kept closely packed together and pulled towards the core, creating ice that appears much like the ice we find on Earth. However, trying to use this ice to cool you down would melt your skin away. Life is known to exist only on Earth, but in 1986 NASA found what they think could be fossils of microscopic living things in a rock from Mars. The meteorite Allen Hills 84001 is proposed to have crystallised from molten rock 4 billion years ago. Based on chemical analysis, it is thought to have originated on Mars from a period when liquid water existed on the planet's surface. Shooting stars really exist. While the shooting stars we see in the night sky are just meteors burning upon entering the Earth's atmosphere, real shooting stars are present in our galaxy and across the universe. Hypervelocity stars can travel at millions of kilometers per hour. They are capable of travelling out to galaxies and are usually thought to gain their speeds when a binary star system wanders too close to a supermassive black hole. One star is captured while the other star is flung away from the black hole.